It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong, and today gagawa tayo ng something that is very special but very simple to do. Let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And today, gagawa tayo ng isang dish na ginagawa namin sa bahay pag may bisita or sometimes for Sunday dinner. So, I have a whole chicken from fresh option. So, ito siya. It's not been frozen, di ba? So, chilled lang siya. So, sobrang ganda niya for roasting chicken kasi mas matamis ang meat pag hindi na frozen yung chicken. So, what do we do now? We will make the marinade. Very easy. So, ito yung lemon natin. To be able to get more juices, gagawin mo, hihilot-hilutin mo siya para mas makakuha ka ng juices. And I just squeeze the juices out, remove the seeds. And we combine with 4 tablespoons of dato puti soy sauce. By adding a bit of soy sauce, nagkakaroon siya ng magandang kulay. Cracked black pepper, garlic. Ito medyo maraming garlic, is around 2 tablespoons of garlic. Very finely minced. And we can add herbs here. Ano yung meron ako doon? Meron akong fresh parsley, of course, kasi herb roast chicken, pwede bang wala? I'm going to use here a combination of, eto, meron akong dried parsley and basil. Yan, just around 1 tablespoon. Also, to add to my marinade, I will add 4 tablespoons of Golden Fiesta canola oil. So, why is the oil there? It will help keep our, chicken juicy. And I get my chicken and I rub it, no? Simple. And if you have time, you can marinate this for at least, 15 minutes. Pwede na. 1 hour better. Lemons, of course. Di ba yung lemons ko kanina? Papasok ko lang siya dito sa aking the cavity of my chicken. And I have salt. So, I will add salt inside the cavity. And I will add an onion. Use half an onion to add into the chicken para sobra talagang aromatic nito. And we put it in a roasting pan. Here, may roasting pan tayo. Slice this vegetable. So, meron lang tayong potatoes. So, yung potatoes natin. You can add more if you want. I will use the same marinade to flavor our vegetables. Yan, just chop it up. And of course, my onions. Yan. And I just toss the extra marinade here para magkaroon ng flavor yung aking vegetables. You can add more. I'll just put it around. And yung excess ko na marinade, just pour over the chicken. Yan. And I've already preheated my oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Immediately, we put it in and we roast it for around 1 hour and 20 minutes. Yan. Okay, here it is. Luto na yung ating chicken. Let's check on it. Yan. Yan. Look at that. Ang ganda niya. Ang drippings, as I said, gagawin natin gravy. Nice. Chicken. All this on the side. Oops. I'll heat up a pan. And all these juices, yan, we'll just add a little stock here. Yan, to be able to collect all these drippings. I'll just melt some butter. This is around 2 tablespoons of butter. And 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So I'll just cook off my, my flour in the butter for around 2 to 3 minutes. So this will serve as our thickener. And I, just strain the, pan juices. So look at that, very nice color. All the flavor is there, of course. Everything's dissolved. And we add chicken stock. Yeah, so you can use chicken stock or just plain water. And we just finish with a little bit of black pepper. Yan. Just freshly cracked black pepper. You can have a lot of pepper. I also have some, blanched vegetables over here. So here it is, something that's very easy to do but very delicious. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!